Did you know that a lower-calorie Mediterranean diet combined with minimal exercise can help older individuals shed body fat, build muscle, and reduce dangerous visceral belly fat? A new study reveals the remarkable results of this lifestyle shift. Visceral fat, lurking deep within the abdomen, contributes to health problems like diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. The study shows that such fat can be reduced, transforming metabolic health. The research was part of an 8-year clinical trial in Spain, involving over 6,800 participants aged 55 to 75, all overweight or obese with metabolic syndrome. A subgroup of 1,521 people followed a calorie-restricted Mediterranean diet, cutting sugar, processed meats, and more, with regular support from dietitians. They also increased their aerobic exercise and focused on strength, flexibility, and balance. The results after 1 year were promising, with the intervention group losing more body fat than the control group. Importantly, they also lost grams of visceral fat mass. Even as they gained some fat back in years 2 and 3 without dietary support, their body composition remained favorable. This study underscores the potential for significant and lasting changes to metabolic health with diet and exercise. Longer-term follow-ups, rare in research, demonstrate the enduring benefits of these lifestyle choices. The Mediterranean diet is known for its diverse benefits, reducing risks of diseases like diabetes, high cholesterol, and depression, while promoting strong bones and a healthy heart. It's a plant-based, balanced approach with a focus on fresh, whole foods, emphasizing olive oil over butter and healthy fats. This study reinforces the transformative power of combining a calorie-controlled Mediterranean diet with exercise, not only for weight loss but for improving overall health and reducing dangerous belly fat. Follow for more on how small changes can yield significant results in your health and well-being.